So this project was basically a full renovation on the first floor. We ripped up all the flooring. It was a pretty separated kitchen that we knocked down a few walls. We also did 3 sets of stairs that you'll see in the video. 2 bathrooms upstairs, along with wood flooring throughout the first and second floor. My name is Ryan Burnett. I own Ryan Anthony's Heating and Air Conditioning, also Long Island Building and Contracting Consultants. This project was cool because we like opening up spaces. The idea of the open floor plan was really what the homeowner wanted. It was one major wall separating the living room and the kitchen. And they also wanted to have a laundry room. There really wasn't enough room, so we had to build into the garage to achieve that, which we did. So it was pretty cool. Yeah. As far as the homeowner's reaction, they love it. I mean, as of this morning, we got to spend some time with Victor. He was explaining to us that he's had quite a few guests come over, and you know, I think his exact words were, "We knew you were going to do a project here, but we had no idea it was going to look like this." And that's the reaction he's been getting to bringing it back to me. So it makes us feel great because we're building this business the same way I've built my heating and air conditioning company. It's all reputation. So if every job has to come out perfect, if your enemy were to nitpick the job, he would have nothing to say. And that's our goal. As far as services that we provide, we run the whole job from demo to finished product. If a homeowner wanted to contact us, they could either reach out to us through Instagram at LI Building, they could reach out to us through Facebook at Long Island Building and Contracting Consultants, or they can call our office 631-422-0294.